Clock strikes 8 up on a Monday. Got to bed 5:30. Can't remember Saturday or Sunday. Life is grand. Doesn't it feel good to be alive when you're going somewhere? Going somewhere. Paid for food through bricks and mortar. Bide my time trying to have some fun. 10:30, I drink a little water. Time stands still. I've seen my future slip through my hands. Watch the wind whip through desert sand. Then I remember I'm no ordinary man, and I'm going somewhere. Going somewhere. It's been years since I was a builder, working with my head and hands. Dreams of crystal glass and silver go flashing past, so tantalizing, the things that I've seen. I know you know exactly what I mean. Can never look back to where you've been when you're going somewhere. Going somewhere. Clock strikes 8 up on a Monday. Got to bed 5:30. Can't remember Saturday or Sunday. But life is grand. Doesn't it feel